Hello there. Welcome to Pickcel Learning Hub. My name is Arya and I am a Pickcel product specialist. In today's session, we will be discussing the QR code option that is available in the Pickcel Digital Menu Board app. With the help of this app, you can create amazing menus for your restaurants and publish them on your digital screens. But before you watch this video, we recommend you to watch our earlier video on creating menus, since this will be a continuation of that video. Anyway, moving on. Let's first understand the use of the QR code. If you add a QR code to your digital menu board, your customers will be able to scan the code and view the menu on their mobile phones. So, without further ado, let's get started. For our demonstration, we will pick up from where we left in our earlier video. After you have saved your digital menu, you can click on this icon. And you'll see that you are given two options. Download QR code as a banner. Now, click on this option if you want to add the QR code somewhere other than your digital menu. For example, if you want to print the QR code and place it on your restaurant tables, then you can click here. And as you can see, after a quick preview of the code, it gets downloaded on your device. Moving on, let's see what the second option says. It says, Save QR code as an image in media. This means, once you click on this option, your QR code gets added to your media within the Pickcel console. Now, if you go to the Media module, you'll see that your QR code has been added here. Notice that the name of the QR code image is the same as your menu name, which is Burger House. This is done to ensure that you do not add the wrong QR code to the wrong menu. Every menu will have a different QR code. Now, let's see how you can add the QR code to your menu. Well, spoiler alert. It's the same process as creating a composition. If you don't know how to create a composition, you may check out our video on that. Don't worry, I'll show you the process briefly once again. Go to the Composition module and click on the plus button. Now select a layout. As you can see, all your added media appear here, including the Burger House menu and the QR code for that menu. Now simply assign them to each zone. Once you save your composition, it will appear like this on your screen. And as for your customers, they can scan this QR code with their mobile phones. And it will take them directly to a web URL, where they will be able to browse the menu on their mobile devices. Just like this. So that's all about adding QR codes to your digital menu boards. I hope I could help you. We have interesting videos for all possible issues that you may face while navigating the Pickcel software. For more help, visit support.pickcel.com. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, keep enjoying the magic of Pickcel.